Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how you can create an accordion container. And what I mean by an accordion is a container that does the following. So right here I have an application from the demo of the collapsible widget, and the collapsible widget lets you collapse or expand contents. And what I want is to create a container that contains all of these collapsibles such that when I expand one, the other one that was already opened closes, or the other one that was expanded collapses. So again, if I have the min is expanded, what I want is to be able to expand max and automatically collapse min. And this will show you how to do a couple of event handling things and move things around to see how you just wire these things together, because this really isn't that complicated. So let's do the following. This is the application from a previous video, so this is known, and we have 3 collapsibles here. Now what I'll do is, from containers, I'll import container, and I'll use this, I'll subclass this to create my accordion. So the accordion is a container that does something, and the intended usage for this is I take all of my collapsibles and I put them inside my accordion. So with accordion, so this is how I want to be able to use this. Now, how do I define the accordion? Well, the first thing I'll do is, actually let me just show you that at this time, this should still work, right? The accordion, the functionality of the accordion isn't working, but the code itself doesn't do anything it doesn't break anything, because I just created a container, I subclassed the container, and I can just use the container directly. Now what I'll do is, inside my accordion, I'll handle collapsible.expanded and collapsible.collapsed events. So I'll take from Textual, I'll import the on decorator. Now what I'll do is, on collapsible.expanded, so when one collapsible is expanded, what I'll do is I'll want to collapse the other one that was open. So I need to keep track of the currently expanded collapsible. Right? So before I get to this, I need to keep track of the currently expanded collapsible, and so on init, I'll say that self.currently expanded is none. So let's keep track of it in here, and then let's just go with super. And now what I'll do is, when a collapsible is expanded, I'll collapse other collapsibles. And so we get an event here. And what I'll do is, if this thing, so if the currently expanded collapsible is the same as the one from the events collapsible, then I don't need to do anything, I can just leave. Now, if they're different, it might be because this is none. So let's check if this is not none. So if the currently expanded is not none, what I'll do is I'll collapse it. So currently expanded.collapsed equals true. So this collapses the currently expanded one. And now I'll update the currently expanded one to match the one that we got from the event, because that's the one that just got expanded. That's why we got the event in the first place. So if I run this, I run my application, I open min. Now if I open max, notice that min closed. And if I open sum, max closes. And if I open min, sum closes. So this creates a simple accordion. Now, does this break? No, it doesn't. So I was checking if at this time, if we close all of them, all 3 are collapsed, but the accordion will think, or will say that self.currently expanded is one of them, because when the collapsibles are collapsed, we don't update the value of this attribute. And it's not breaking the accordion here, but maybe for the sake of completeness and correction, it makes sense to fix this. So when a collapsible is collapsed, what we do is we clear the currently expanded. So self.currently expanded is set to none, just for the sake of correctness, and so that accessing the accordion doesn't return weird data. So if I save this and if I run it, it should be working. So I click max, I click min, I click sum, and we can see that one open and the other closes. So that's it for this short video. I'll leave links to the documentation below. And you already know, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join our Discord server to get help from other users and from me and from others, from the other developers. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.